I'm Isaac, and today I'm going to answer 10 frequently asked questions we get here at Airtow Trailers. How do I purchase an Airtow trailer? You can purchase an Airtow trailer through our dealer network. How do I find a dealer near me? You can find that information on our dealer map located on our website. Where is Airtow located? Airtow has 3 manufacturing locations in Wapakoneta, Ohio, Botkins, Ohio, and Laverne, California. What is the cost of an Airtow trailer? The cost varies depending on the accessories. You can find our prices on our stocking dealers' websites. Is there a maintenance manual? Yes, you can request a maintenance manual on our website, and we will link that in the description below. Is regular maintenance needed for an Airtow trailer? Yes, regular maintenance is advised. The recommended maintenance schedule is on page 35 of the Airtow Owner's Manual. Where can I get my trailer serviced? You can have your Airtow trailer serviced at an authorized service dealer. How do the trailers lower? The deck lowers using a hydraulic system controlled by a remote control located in the power compartment. What sizes and capacities are available? The deck length ranges from 8.5 to 16 feet long. The deck width ranges from 54 to 75 inches wide, and the capacity goes from 3,500 pounds up to 14,000 pounds. What models are available? Airtow Trailers has 8 different models: flatbed, utility, pro, enclosed, gooseneck, dock height, refrigerated, and drop deck and dump. All of the sites we mentioned in this video will be linked in the description below. If you found this video helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more content just like this. If you have any questions, drop a comment or give us a call, 419-558-0652. Thanks for watching.